Yeah, we in Queens Cottage right now, and this is all fucked up. You see trees in the middle of the way. God damn. Branches in the stairways. I'm walking through it. God damn, this shit came down hard, B. Look at this shit. Look at all these branches. Holy shit. The trunks, branches. I gotta step over branches. I can't even pass through there. There's garbage everywhere. There's no more branches in this tree. This shit fucked up. Holy shit. It blocked the stairways. I can't even walk through here. Look at all these branches in the way. Branches on there. Holy shit, this is all fucked up. This shit came down like less